से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, बढ़ता दुगना उत्साह इसी हैरानी में। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम। संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
With this quote of Harivansh Rai Bachchan, I would like to introduce our newsletter.
A newsletter is a great method to deliver right information to right people in a right way. It's a great opportunity for everyone to showcase their talent, creativity, and hard work. It acts like a mirror and increases the respect and value of our work. Through a newsletter, one can easily get all the information about the work that has been done throughout the period. As we all know that this pandemic has made us completely dependent on digital world, hence Zone 3 has come up with an initiative that is digital newsletter. As we all know that Zone 3 is just not a combination of small, medium and larger ITI, but it also includes a special ITI that is specially for PWD learners with different categories like visually impaired, hearing and speech impaired, ortho impaired, etc. So images are not just visuals, they are also auditory. They involve immense impressions, bundle of information that come to us through our senses, especially seeing and hearing those audiovisual field. With keeping this in mind, we have created our digital newsletter so that this could be accessed by all category of learners and with a motto, no one left behind.
An integral part of our work process and the most important stakeholder are our respectable principals. So here we want to welcome them. Let's have a look. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. So here we welcome extremely talented and magnificent Miss Sanjogita Mishra, Senior Manager, Tata Stripe.
Dear readers, I welcome you to this new video edition of the newsletter Utkarsh by Zone 3. In this newsletter, we bring to you some of the talents of the students of the ITIs of Zone 3, some of the work done by the staff of the ITIs of Zone 3, and some of the learnings work done by the students in the Zone 3 ITIs. This is the first time we are attempting a video edition of a newsletter, and this is the third edition of Utkarsh, and I wish the team all the very best, and I hope that you all enjoy watching this newsletter. Thank you.
Now we want to welcome our most encouraging project managers who helped us in every aspect, working under whom the job feels less like a job, for their incredible support and motivation. Let's hear from them a few words.
This time, Zone 3 is going to publish its newsletter Utkarsh with audio and visual effects. So congratulations to all CLs of Zone 3 and their project manager Itisri Das. Also, I would like to mention that on many occasions you all have made us proud. Continue this good work. Thank you.
It is a matter of pride to say something about the newsletter Utkarsh. My heart feels immense pleasure that we have published a digital newsletter for the first time with audio visual effects. This newsletter is a reflection of Zone 3 that we had done in the past 6 months in different ITIs, in all 13 ITIs. As we designed wonderfully with great creativity and imagination of our change leaders. So I must thankful to them, and I wish them good luck for their hard work, and I wish this newsletter will grab your attention. Thank you.
For whom we are here, for whom we are working, and who are going to change the world by transforming themselves. That is our brilliant students. Their words are motivating us every time. So let's hear from them.
Employability depends on your knowledge, skills and attitudes. How you use those assets and how you present them to in front of employers.
एथुरु किछि ना किछि सिखिबाकू मिलिथाय एथुरु जॉब मध्ये चेष्टा कर पारिबा
हमें आगे जाके किसी भी कंपनी हो या किसी भी प्राइवेट सेक्टर में हम जॉब करेंगे तो वहाँ पर कैसे जॉब करेंगे, किस टाइप का कंपनी होगा, इसके बारे में बताया जाता है। उसके अलावा हमें सारे लैंग्वेज सिखाया जाता है, जैसे कि हिंदी और इंग्लिश की लैंग्वेज सिखाया जाता है, कंप्यूटर सिखाया जाता है।
खुशी जे हमको एमती बहुत भल से क्लास कर जहाँ फल आम बहुत समस्ते उपकृत हो आमको ये क्लास रे शिक्षा को मिलूँ एवं आगत भविष्य भी आम किसी शिखी पार्चु
और इसके माध्यम से हम अपने फ्यूचर को बेटर बना सकते हैं, प्रेजेंट को बेटर बना सकते हैं और फ्यूचर में हम बहुत सारे बेटर से बेटर और बहुत सारे अच्छी जॉब भी पा सकते हैं।
Employability skill is not only a single word, it comprises of different skills.
Skills that are very essential for our life.
और हमारी टैलेंट क्या है, वीकनेस क्या है, हम अपनी कौन सी अपॉर्चुनिटी को चुनेंगे, हम कैसे लोगों से ट्रीट करेंगे, ये सारी बातें हमें एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल सिखाता है।
बिहेवियर स्किल एवं कम्युनिकेशन एवं बिजनेस
to develop our personal qualities in any workplace or anywhere. It is develop our behavior skill, communication skill
अप्लाइबिलिटी स्किल्स में ड्राइंग, पेंटिंग वगैरह इंटर ITI कंपटीशन होता है, उसमें हमारा फ्रेंड्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था। बहुत अच्छा लगा था वो सभी कंपटीशन से।
Apart from our academic syllabus, it helps us in creating a responsible image which is much needed in post-ITI life.
Active participation of parents brings massive change in learners' academic performance. This nature of nurturing brings natural and holistic changes in a learner's personality. We, 13 government ITIs, conducted a total of 30 number of parent-teacher meetings for our learners' better improvement and better future. It helps us and the parents to know the progress and lacking areas of our learners. Let's see some glimpse from each ITI. To meet and depart is the way of life. To depart and meet is the hope of life. We think the success of any institute can be measured by the contribution the alumni make to our national life. We have organized 12 virtual meetings with our alumni to meet with and bring some opportunities for their career growth and bright future with concrete career plan as well. Let's have a look. Industrial visits are an opportunity to enter into the world of mystical power. The industry exposure is the whole universe in all direction, and theory remains shut up within the limits of human faculties. We conducted a number of industry exposure for our learners to gain the ample of knowledge from the practical field. Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Entrepreneurs have a mindset that sees the possibilities rather than problem created by change. We ITIs always give chance to our learners to become an entrepreneur by Nano Unicorn project to create employment for the society. Let's have a look what we have done. Many have succeeded by getting opportunity in Nano Unicorn. Let's listen to one of them.
छत्रपुर गवर्नमेंट ITI पास आउट मोर मो बिजनेस स्टार्ट करबा पूर्व बहुत किसी मैंने काम बहुत ट्राए करूँ मत कौन प्रकार चान्स मिलू ना काम करने माने किसी आर्थिक साहय चाहूँगी जोटा कि बैंक बैंक जगह भी पाई नी जहाँद्वारा कि टाटा स्ट्राइव आम नानो यूनिकॉर्न प्रोजेक्ट रु मत लक्ष टाँग लोन देला मुझे से लोन आनिक मुझे बिजनेस आरंभ करी बर्तमान मो थ्रू 3-4 पिला बर्तमान अलरेडी काम कर काम शिखी से निजे जाइए कम कर आम पाखे बर्तमान 3-4 पिला रही कम कर लाइफ में बहुत किसी मो चैलेंज सफर करा पड़ी मत बहुत किसी चैलेंज मुझे नहीं कम करा पड़ी मो टाटा स्ट्राइव को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जनइबी।
Review meetings at workplace present great opportunities to showcase your talent. Do not let them go to waste. We have the principle that we always care for our responsibilities towards our stakeholders. As a best practice, we do review meetings with our principals to make our communication clear and transparent towards all the activities that have been conducted in a month. Take your eyes towards some of the clips. Study shows that project-based learning can increase retention of content and improve students' attitudes towards learning. We do not learn from experience, we learn from reflecting on experience. We always take our learners towards the project-based learning, which helps them to know the real world practically, and they can find the real problem in life as well as in society and find the solutions by themselves. The projects can make our learners more creative, a problem solver, increase their leadership skills and teamwork. Let's have a look towards the beautiful projects.
TOT of staffs. You are your greatest asset. Put your time, effort and money into training, grooming and encouraging your greatest asset. We always think of our stakeholder to give opportunity and more benefits by organizing the TOT for the ITI staffs. to make the class more engaged, interactive, and capacity building of our staffs. Let's take a tour. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. We have the great pleasure of working with and learning from some of the greatest faculties from all over the India. To inspire our students, we welcome top personality to share their knowledge and passion for career growth and plan. In this pandemic, we always care about our beautiful learners and their skill to enhance. We invited many professionals from different renowned organizations to share their knowledge and skills with our learners, from which the learners are more benefited and get clear idea about their future goal. Let's take your eyes on some pictures. I don't want to be a supermodel. I want to be a role model. Role models are only of limited use, for no one is as important, potentially powerful, and as key in your life and world as you. I think the best role models for women are people who are fruitfully and confidently themselves, who brings light into the world. We're glad to invite the role models for our learners to share the real challenges after ITI and the experience at workplace. Come and see the beautiful models of our ITI. The time is always right to do the right thing. In recognizing the humanity of our fellow beings, we pay ourselves the highest tribute. I always wonder why somebody does not do something about that. Then I realized I was somebody. We always do many social activities in our localities for society benefit. Social activity is another part of our life. So we do. Let's have a look. Life is a celebration. Being alive on this earth is a celebration. Learning new things every day is celebration. Being kind and compassionate is celebration. Chasing our dreams and goals is celebration. With right attitude, every action becomes celebration. Learn to celebrate each and every moment of life. We celebrate each and every national and international days with our learners to empower and make them more engaged in the life of ITI. Take a look towards the creativity, beauty, and talent of our learners. I don't know half of you have as well as I should like, and I like less than half of you have as well as you deserve. So knowing your own darkness is the best method of dealing with the darkness of other people. Many dignitaries have visited our ITIs and appreciated a lot of our tremendous job towards ITI and learners. So let's have a look. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Success will kiss our feet when we can utilize our talent and skill in our life of requirement. So we have conducted placement drive and campus for our learners after ITI course. Before going to placement, we also do induction programs for placement, which brings more clarity on job description. We placed our learners in different organizations in different place of posting. So can we go for some pictures of placement? The ultimate victory in competition is derived from the inner satisfaction of knowing that you have done your best and that you have got the most out of what you had to give. According to this concept, we have done inter-ITI competitions among our learners to enhance their skills, talent, creativity, and ideas. When we succeed because of our individual initiative. but also because we do things together. We always love to take initiative along with our learners to inculcate our learners towards creativity. Take a look. As much as we are growing older, there is a child within us always who want to celebrate the special days and occasions like a child. Here we have some glimpses of birthdays and anniversaries. So let's have a look.
Happy birthday to you जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हाँ जी, तो इस पे इतने खुश क्यों हो ऐ भाई, तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई। कैंडल शैंडल फूंक से बुझा के, बेसुरों की भीड़ फालतू में लगवा के, बर्थडे वाला सॉन्ग जोर जोर से गवाते हो, हमसे ताली शाली का हजामत करवाते हो। ये सब नौटंकी फिर भी चलो झेल लें, केक शेक को स्टार्टर्स भर भर के आए प्लेट में, घर जाके फिर से डिनर ना मंगवाना हो, चूहे ना दौड़े पेट में रात के पौने। हा 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 हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी हा हा
Happy anniversary, this special day. I'm happy with you. Let's celebrate a happy anniversary. Ha ha ha, happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. I wish to you happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
I deemed it a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on the behalf of Zone 3 for the newsletter. Let me first of all giving thanks to the Almighty, for Him only we successful today. We are grateful to our principals of all 13 IDIs of Zone 3 for their motivating words. We thank our senior project manager Sanjukita Mishra. Despite of her busy schedule, she has found time for us and motivated us with great words. I would like to thank all the PMs, Mr. Smriti Ranjan Malik, Mr. Lalare, Mr. Chidanand Malik, Mr. Anirbad Biswas, who is always there with us, guide us and lead us. Also, I would like to thank our lovable students who have shared their experience with us. All the CLs, 22 CLs of Zone 3, without them we can't complete this work. So thank you all the change leaders. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our editorial team. Without their help and support, we can't present this newsletter in front of you. So thank you team, thank you everyone,